Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a product to your Whop Business Account. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the basic process for creating a new product inside your Whop Business dashboard. If you're setting up your store or expanding your offerings, this is one of the key actions you'll use to organize what you sell and make it available from your account. To begin, open your Whop dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your business settings, products, and other account tools. Once the dashboard is loaded, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct business account so the product is added in the right place. Next, look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and click on Products. This section is where all of your current products are listed, and it's also where you can create new ones. Opening this area gives you a clear view of your product setup and lets you manage everything from one central location. After that, move to the top right area of the Products page and click Add Product. This opens the product creation form. If you're new to the platform, this is where you'll enter the core information that identifies your product and helps customers understand what it is. Now enter a sample name in the product details. The name should clearly describe the product, while the details field is where you can provide a short explanation or supporting information. As you fill this out, try to keep the wording simple and specific so it's easy to recognize later. Clear product names and descriptions can also make your account easier to manage as your catalog grows. Once everything is filled in and looks correct, click Add. This saves the new product to your Whop Business Account. After you do that, your product should appear in the Products section, where you can review it and continue managing it as needed. As a quick tip, before clicking Add, it's always worth doing a short review of the information you entered. Even a quick check can help avoid small errors and save time later if you plan to build out multiple products. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your Whop Business Account. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the setup process simple and easy to understand.